Hello everyone, welcome to our SpinetiX booth at IS in Barcelona. This year at the show we are presenting a great collaboration with our technology partner SYS. We indeed share a common vision about the future of digital signage. Indeed, for us, delivering real-time experiences through content automation, this is the way to unlock the true potential of digital signage. And with SYS and with our certified plugin, the future is now. And we make it very accessible to anyone. And our demo at the show that we present is the perfect example. So, what have we done? We have connected a sensor detecting gesture to our solution via the SYS platform. Thanks to that integration, we have a very natural way for people, for the audience, to interact with the screen and the screen content. Basically, the gestures detected will automatically change the content, will collect feedback, and offer a personalized experience. Here, the example we illustrate is an interactive poll into a corporate environment where basically an organization collects feedback from employees by detecting gesture via the screen. And applications are unlimited. So it's a must-see demo to discover on our booth in all 4R, 440, or learn more on our website about our collaboration with SYS, www.spinetix.com/SYS.